In this video, we'll be talking about the lambda functions in the Python. What is lambda function? Is lambda function in Python. What is lambda function in the Python? Lambda function in Python is nothing but a anonymous function. An anonymous function. It is an anonymous function that is defined without a name. Means there is no name for the function. It is an anonymous function. While normal functions are defined using the def keyword, but in Python anonymous functions are defined using the lambda keyword. So what is the difference between def func1? So this is the function. So this is the function, whereas difference between this one, lambda x star 2. So this is we call as a lambda function. So this is the anonymous function which is defined using the lambda keyword, whereas normal functions are using the def keyword. I hope you understand the difference between what is. Hence anonymous functions are also called as the lambda functions. So this topic is gonna be very interesting. Stay with the video till the end. So I'll be explaining a couple of videos, so you will get to know a lot of things, how to use lambda function, that is anonymous function in your code. It is very interesting. It's very easy unless until you clear all your doubts with respect to the lambda functions. Once you get to know the in-depth of each and every component of lambda function, it will be very easy for you to write a code in a few minutes. So let's start with the lambda function. So lambda function in Python has the following syntax. So the syntax of the lambda function is something like this. So this is the lambda function name, this is the argument, and this is the expression. You can see here x as the argument and x star into 2 is nothing but the expression, and this is the lambda function name. So what we could do is we will write a program which shows the use of the lambda functions. So generally what it does is double of the number. Let's say I have the number 5. If the double of this number is, what is this? This is the 10. If I have number 3, the double of this number is 6. So write a lambda function to do the double of the number. Okay, let's say double number is lambda function. I hope you remember the syntax: lambda followed by the argument, lambda followed by the argument, lambda followed by the argument. Here x is the argument, then expression was 2. So this is the lambda function. It takes one argument and this is the expression. Oh, now how to call this function? You can simply say print. What is the function name? Double underscore num of 5. You just pass this and run this. So now run this one, you will get to know that. See, we passed 5 but we got the 10. That is the 5 is passed here, x, and this is the expression. 5 into 2 is this one. We will try for something else, the new number. We will try 10 into 2. How much it should be? It should give the result 20. So here 20. I hope you understand. I hope you got the basic idea about the lambda function. What is this lambda function? So before I go to further example, I will explain. I will repeat once again. The lambda function is an anonymous function which takes one argument and followed by the expression. Here you are calling the double number and you are providing the argument 10. This is the anonymous function where lambda is the x is 10, x is assigned a value 10, and the expression will be calculated such as 10 into 2. How much? 10 into 2 is the 20. This is how it will be calculated. The above lambda function here, the earlier what we did it for 10, this is somewhat similar to this function. Here we are declaring a function double and one argument. So what it is doing is it's returning the argument into 2. So we are calling here function double with the argument 7 that goes here, and it returns 7 into 2, that is the 14. Let's see whether we're gonna get the 14 or not. So we got the 14. I hope you got it. This is the 14. So why can't we change to 9? So here we should get the how much? 18. So now we got 18. I hope you understand the lambda function. We use lambda function when we require a nameless function, for a short period of time. In Python, we generally use it as an argument to a higher order function, a function that takes in other function as an argument. So what lambda functions are used along with built-in functions like filter, map. We will come to this topic filter and map later on, but as of now you can just try to understand what is filter and map with respect to the lambda function. Lambda functions are used along with the built-in functions such as the filter and map. This is a very important topic. Okay, example, we can look at the example with the filter. Okay, how to use lambda with the filter. The filter function in Python, it takes in function and a list as an argument. What it takes the function and list as an argument. Okay, the function is called with all the items in the list, and new list is returned with contains items for the items for which the function evaluates to true. Okay, here is an example. I am providing one example that uses the filter function along with the lambda. Here we use a lambda function along with the filter function. So basically what is our requirement? Our requirement is program to filter out only the even items from a list. We have a list which contains odd as well as the even number. What we need to do is we need to only filter out the even number. So how we do is, first is the take my list. Okay, this has got the number, and new list, we are creating a new list. So what I'm doing is I'm doing filter and taking anonymous function and argument is what? Argument is new list, because here I'm calling this is the argument, and this is the expression. On what? On my list. My list is 1 5 4 6 8 11 3 12. So what exactly happening over here is, this is doing x, each item from the my list, which checks for the x modulus 2 is exactly 0. If it is exactly 0, in the sense this is the even number, that number is pushed to the my list, that is pushed to the new list. So new list. So similarly it checks for the all the numbers. Why we are making it as a list on the whatever we get, that will be converted into the list, and it will be assigned to the new list, and finally new list is displayed. Now let's run and see what we are getting. 4 6 8 12, we got the even number. Now let's make a small modification to this code, and what if we want a non-even numbers, that is the odd numbers. I changed here small thing. Okay, now run. We will get only this should display the odd number. I hope you got it. Okay, so with small modification we got the odd number. Okay, thank you guys. I'll be creating one more video. Please do follow the next video for further learning. That has got a lot of other information, such as using lambda with the map, program displays the power of 2. Like, there are a lot of examples. It will be included in the next 2 videos because it has got a lot of content, so it won't be possible in a single video. Thank you guys.